In the beginning, you take more of a shotgun approach. So let's say that I want to target 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 businesses. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to scatter shot that to everybody. And so it's very generic in nature. It probably doesn't have your name in it. So that's going to be the first attempt, but that's very widespread. Now, if I want to get more targeted, so let's say that I want to target the CEO of some company. So I'm going to email Greg at Braintek directly. And so that's a very targeted attack. I know who I'm going after. I know what their business is. I know I've got some kind of objective in mind. And that spear phishing, targeted phishing is the same thing. And SMS phishing is when you get a text message from an unsolicited person. All the time, on my phone, I get these messages which I didn't expect, I'm not looking for. Some of them are malicious, some of them are not, but it's just really spam, that I'm getting. Hey, did you vote for this person? Hey, click on this link in both my phone and an email. So it can happen in any case.
Now, the spear phishing part of it is when you're actually targeting a specific individual, almost like you've got a plan, a sinister plan behind it, rather than the scattershot thing, right?
So if I know, it's really easy. I mean, if you go to LinkedIn, I can find individuals that work for a company. So once I go there, I can say, hey, this guy's the CFO of this company that I want to go after. Let's see if I send him an email, a LinkedIn message, an SMS message, whatever, depending on what information you have on that individual. And I'm going to just send him something to see if he'll fall for it, or she in the case. So I send them this link and let's see what happens. And that's very targeted. And what I might do is I might try to use different email addresses, coming from different sources, different types of messaging. So maybe I'm going to talk about the UPS thing or Amazon thing, or maybe some Apple iCloud thing. And depending on what's going on in your day, the person may look at it and go, oh yeah, I just did order a package from Amazon. Oh, I just did something with my Apple iCloud account, whatever. And so they'll fall for it.